Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Equiniti employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your Equiniti employee account, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Equiniti employee login. So after searching for Equiniti employee login, now what you can do is just tap on this first option, and after tapping on that option you will come up to this page or to this website, and from here what you can do is to log into your employee account, what you can do is just tap on employee portal, and after tapping on employee portal, here you can find this option which says log into employee portal. So just tap on it, and from here what you can do is just scroll down, and here you can find this login option. So inside the login option, first what you have to do is just select your company name. So just select a company name that you work for. So after selecting the company name, now what you can do is just scroll down, and from here what you can do is just enter your last name, your account number, and then enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, you just have to enter your ESP portal or share view password. So after entering all those details, what you can do is just tap on login, and by tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. And after entering all these details, what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgotten your password, and after tapping on forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password for your account, what you can do is just come back to this login page and just enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if that does not work, then what you can do is just simply come over to a register section, and from here you can create a new account. So just tap on register now, and from tapping on register now you can create a new account. So after creating a new account, what you can do is just use that account. But if you remember your password, what you can do is just enter your password over here and then tap on login. And after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Equiniti employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.